Welcome to the Bridget's Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In this video, we will show you some final basic functions, that is, the comparison operators and how to apply them to your dataset. In comparing values to each other, we can see how equality returns true if the first value is equal to the second value. So far, we've used the equal operator to create formulas like equals sum and equals round. We can also use the equal sign to compare values and yield an outcome. There also exists a not equal to symbol denoted by the less than, greater than signs to form a diamond. In testing the size of values against one another, the following functions may also become useful. Greater than, which checks to see if one value is larger than another, is denoted by the greater than sign, and less than, which checks if one value is smaller than another, is denoted by the lesser than sign. If your goal is to check whether one value is bigger than or exactly equal to another, use the greater than or equal to denoted by the greater than symbol and an equal symbol. To check whether the value is smaller than or equal to another, use the less than or equal to sign, denoted by the less than symbol and the equal symbol. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.